Hey everyone, it's me, Justin. Gonna do a first live stream in a while because today my friend Adam and Steve have released Tailwind UI, which a lot of folks have been waiting for. By the way, this is a perfect example of something I've been tweeting about. So before we get started, let's just hop in the old Twitter here. Let's go here. Let's go. Yes, here. What does responding to the poll of the market look like? Tailwind UI was just announced a few hours ago. There are hundreds of tweets like this, right? And even if we look up Tailwind UI right now, latest, there are tons and tons of tweets like this. Game changer. Just purchased Tailwind UI. And even in the Mega Maker Slack, I noticed lots of people are buying it, right? So, yeah, this is a great example of how really businesses don't create demand. They ride a cresting wave, a building wave of demand. Now, certainly there's a lot of demand for Tailwind UI, but that's the result of the energy already being in the market pulling for this thing. And this started a long time ago with Bootstrap. It started with Bootstrapping Design, a book by Jared Drysdale. This wave started a long time ago, but they were able to ride it, and that's why it's selling so well right now. All right, let's just make sure everything is going okay here. I just want to check my levels. It's too bad the audio only shows up in... I wish I could make my audio mono, but I can't. All right, so just want to let some folks know I'm live. Yeah, so I'm going to try to... We've already bought this for Transistor. What's going on here? So we already purchased marketing and application UI for Transistor, but I'm going to be rebuilding or try to rebuild this page here, which is a personal project of mine. And so I'm going to buy my own license here. So let's get started. I think I'm only going to need the marketing license. Whoa, there's so many people on this site that this thing is just going forever and ever. Slow, slow, slow. Let's try to do a hard refresh and see if it works. There we go. Okay, so I want this. And I'll just hide it while I put in my details. I thought I already logged in here. What's going on? I'm going to try logging in again, see what happens. Okay, I'm logged in. Oh man, I'm going to have to enter my address manually here. Sorry, this is not going to be as exciting because I got to enter a credit card. I thought I had this all kind of pre-done, but that's all right. Levels are good. That's good. What's up, Mark? Good to see you, man. Just bear with me while I enter in my credit cards on the internet. Something I think about all the time is what can create so much demand, so much pull, that people will take their wallet out of their pocket and enter their credit card on the internet. Almost done here. Something went wrong. What's going on here? This is really making it hard for me to buy here. Okay, I'm going to try PayPal. In what planet is PayPal easier? This is what it means. Hey, how's it going, Rainer? Okay, so hold on a sec. That's funny. All right, let's see what happens here. All right. It's processing. What's up, Michael? Right now, I'm just trying to buy this thing. There are so many people buying Tailwind UI right now that this is really slow, and it's already crashed on me a couple times. So, Gumroad. What's going on here? It's still going. I might have to use the bundle I've already bought and then buy this one later because this isn't working. What's up, Mike? I know this is bad timing. This is the same time as LaraCon online. Are they still going, Mike? Okay, this is still processing. I'm going to have to do it this way because I don't know why this isn't working. I'm buying, well, for Transistor, we bought the application UI and the marketing pack. And for personal use, I'm going to buy the marketing pack. Sorry, got distracted there. Okay, let's see what happens here. All right, so I'm gonna do it this way for now because this is a boring a boring thing if I can't show you. All right, so this is the this is what it looks like once you buy, and yeah, I want to replace that. Look at this, still processing. I'm going to be replacing this page here. So the first thing I'll need to do that I haven't done in a while is I need to install this. And so for a noob like me, this is probably where I'm going to get in trouble. I just want to, yeah, can I remove this? How do you remove a directory in command line? This is how I can do it that way too. Okay, so I'm going to let's follow the instructions that Tailwind has. Documentation. I know Adam spent a lot of time on this. All right. Getting set up using NPM. All right. So I'm going to put this over on this side here. And I'm going to put this over on this side here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, I got to get more used to command line stuff. Dismiss. All right, so where are we? So first of all, I want to remake that. And let's do npm install Tailwind CSS UI. Did this work? This is the thing about npm is how many of these are important. No such directory open package.js. So what did that actually, let's see what that actually created. Did I already have this installed maybe? No. That's all good, Mike says. Okay. The next thing is it says add Tailwind to your plugin list. Tailwind config.js, but where is that? Is that in? Where is this Tailwind config.js file? Color.js. Yeah, sorry. Can we pump it up? npx Tailwind init. npm you probably mean, right? npm Tailwind init. Oh, boys. Sorry, Adam, I'm already embarrassing you. Okay, okay, so how to quickly install, where is it? So I needed to do this part first. Okay. I'm going to run all this stuff. Oh boy, now I'm getting Adam messaging me, telling me. Okay, so Adam is messaging me saying I need to install that stuff, and I think he's a little bit behind where I'm at now. Okay, so now I need to create a configuration file. Okay, so npx, not a typo, npx Tailwind init. There we go. All right. Now I think I can go back to the Tailwind instructions. Okay, I wonder actually if I should rerun npm install just to make sure I've got all that stuff. There we go. And now I should have a Tailwind config file, right? Let's see. There it is. Okay. And how do I do that again? Is it edit tailwind.config.js? Please don't. No, what is it? Code. That's what I want. Tailwind.config.js. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, I'm catching up to all these things. People telling me, don't do that. Don't do that. Yes, this is the unofficial. This is the dummy track. All these things that normal people know that a dummy like me doesn't. All right, so now I've got this part here, and add it to our plugin list. Okay, so is that here in config? Is that what it is? Is that where I do this? Plugin list. I just assumed that this was in Tailwind config.js, but now I'm confused. Module exports. I already have this up here, so I just need. All I need is this part here, right? I think that's right. So we bought, for Transistor, we bought the application UI and the marketing UI, and then for MegaMaker, I'm trying to buy the marketing UI, but it wouldn't let me buy it. I don't know if Gumroad was hanging or what. Let's check back on that. Did I close that, or is it still trying to? Yeah, it's still processing. So for now, I'm just going to use transistors. All right. So actually, I need to go back because I need the components. And now you know what? They had this one dude. Where is it? Where is this guy? Was it this guy? Because I found this helpful. So root folder, index file, and then this is how he's kind of setting it up. And so let's look at, this is what I've got now. Holy crap. John's actually the one that bought it, which was crazy. John is the one who bought Tailwind for Transistor. And he's already been rebuilding our Transistor UI in Tailwind. So yeah, this new stuff's going to be helpful. Okay, I've got a question now. If I'm going to create an index file, where do I put it? I want to create an index.html, and where do I put? Some node modules are way over here, and then where do I put the generating stuff, right? I'm confused. Following directives into style.css. Okay, this guy does this npx build thing. Should I just set it up the way this guy has it? Where I've got output.css. Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? I'll wait a little bit because I'm guessing that I'm just going to create an index file in the root directory, and then I'm going to have a styles directory that will have the output, you know, the compiled output like this. What was that? So I was running npx tailwind init. Okay. You can create one in the root of your project. All right. All right, here we go. Can we make this smaller? Why is this so big? This is weird. Adam is probably so tired right now. I'm surprised he's even awake. He hasn't slept in like 30 hours. All right. Who needs Adam Wathan when I've got Rich and Khaled? Khaled? Am I saying that right? Okay. touch.index.html, and then we'll make their styles. And can I just run this right now? Let's see here. Styles. Will this work? Styles does not exist. Do I have to touch styles first? Okay, now I've got output.css, right? Okay, so let's go back here. Let's open this index file. All right. And maybe let's just start with a little bit of this. Close this. Okay. And now I need to link to, basically I'm just going to do exactly what this dude is doing. All right, so this should actually show something right now. Let's really, because this is the actual Tailwind stuff, right? So how do we want to do this? Let's just grab this and see what happens. Okay, so I need this thing first. Let's put this right here. It's Alpine, and then we're going to copy all this, right? I guess I can just click this thing. And let's put this here, except now I've got Alpine twice. Okay. All right. Rich doesn't think it's going to work. But why don't we just try? I do think I'm going to need to rebuild this, though, right? Oh, but it's still not. Oh, you're saying there's nothing there. Tailwind directives, where are those? Okay, let's go back to the documentation here. Aren't I here right now, though? Tailwind installation. Getting set up. Add this to your plugin list. Dad did that. Step 2. Oh, you're actually talking about the Tailwind docs installation. Oh. So I need to add this into styles. Okay. Let's just actually open this folder so that this makes more sense here. Okay. Styles. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Sorry, there's a little bit of delay. So, okay. So now this should build, right? There we go. Now we've actually got an output. Okay. So now it should work. Let's give this a go. Go back here. Open file. And where's it at? Let's see what happens here. Whoa. Something isn't working. What didn't load? Mark on white. SVG. Some sort of SVG didn't load. Oh, really? The stream is not... Maybe try YouTube if it's not. Just go to youtube.com/ Justin Jackson Live. Here, let's see if I can write that here. And Justin Jackson Live. If you need... That's not work. If the other one's not working. Okay, so what happened here? Got this. But there must be something wrong with my markup. Let's just take out that that thing I pasted in. And let's try to load it before that. Okay, so we got main. I'm just going to try to go, I don't know, H1 class test. Yeah, I should get that hot reload thing. I had that installed on my other machine, but okay, this is not set up right. How do I have... Just gonna steal whatever I have here. And then something's weird here. Body class. H full. Yeah, that because I. Okay, let's go back here. But how come I'm not getting a full? Yeah, because this, if I have H full, that should be. Let's just do this and see what happens. Okay, there we go. I just had a transistor only. Okay, so now let's try. Let's go. How does it work again in here? It's BG gray. Let's do this one here. Okay. So now I think we're in it. Now let's see if we can get this component to work. Yeah, let's start with this. So copy this over here. Let's just try this. See what happens. Huh, why does this SVG not work? Maybe I need to download that or something. Hero page. Let's go back here. Logo clouds. Whatever this SVG is, it's having a hard time with that. Right? Something's not working right. I don't think so. Unless you need to let's go back to the Tailwind docs. Maybe I missed a step. NPX Tailwind consent. We got this. Got this. Done all of this. We don't want to use it via CDN. That's all done. It should be loading it. Image on white SVG. Got it. I need to. Okay, so make their image. And then let's go back here. Save image. And I bet you these are, I need these things too, right? There's, what other SVGs do we have here? Pattern square. Where do those come from? Maybe those are just generated. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. Did that work now? Why does not? Where is this actually? What does it think this thing is? What is image logo? Oh, image logos. I see. Got all sorts of problems here. There we go. Okay, we got that going. But now this part doesn't look right, does it? Okay, but it's not the UI. I mean, sorry, it wasn't the SVG that was the problem. I'm guessing I don't need this. My guess is like if we go to let's go back here. Tailwind CSS, Tailwind UIs. Oh, wait. I just want to go to tailwindui.com. Oh, is it always going to log me in? Let's go back here. Boop, boop. Okay, so let's go. I just want to see how he has this page set up. This is what he's got there. I'm just going to copy these exact. Okay, so he's got this right here. Then relative. Just going to put this in here too. Okay, so now let's go back here. Let's go back to my little thing here. Huh, what is going on? It must be something is not configured right. Because I'll bet if I put this in a transistor project that I already have going, I bet you it'll work. But something... Workflow mark, that's already, why is this still not, file not found? Is it requested a couple different times? Line 71. Is it? I followed all this stuff. Tailwind, if you're using post CSS import or tool under the hood. I've built it. Got styles here, output here. Is there anything else I need to include up here? I think it is. npm install Tailwind UI. I did that. And then I added this to the plugins. Okay. Mubs is getting so frustrated. Okay, so I should remove. He wants me to remove all of this. Do I need anything in here then? Maybe just H full. Whoa, there we go. Okay. Well, oh, is that it? It just looked bad because it wasn't on white? Mubs. Mubs is the Mubs is the wizard for dummies like me. Man, sorry guys, that was not as exciting as I thought it would be. But we made it work, right? And if any of you in the future run into a similar thing, now you know all the ways not to do it. Okay, I need to go for lunch soon, but now that we got this project up, I mean, the first thing, of course, I'm going to want to do when I come back is put some sort of background dark, and then I'm going to have to go through and change these colors, right? So we got some font colors, text gray. These I'm going to need to change these, I think. Nice. I think we're going to go to Eatology, which is like a place right here. I mean, for sure, we're going to make this a black background. And maybe I'll go stream it right after lunch. Who else is Pacific time? It's lunchtime in the Pacific zone. So, but yeah, the next thing I'll do is I think, let's see. Oh, this is interesting. Where does BG Gray 50? Where does that actually happen? BG. What happens if we made this red? What is going on here? Okay, there it is. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm going to make mine gray 900. And then where are all these dots happening? Is this the dots? Pattern? Yeah, like this is all the patterns, SVG stuff. Rectangle. Pattern. Yeah, I don't want any of this, I think. Nice. See, this is where you get the benefit because you can start to just remove stuff. I don't even know if I need this, right? Let's see. Oops. Did I save that? I think this is all for, yeah, I think that's all just for the, that stuff. So cool. Okay. And then, where's the, right here, this is going to be white. Cool. Look, folks, we're getting there. And maybe, what's this purple doing here? This is Indigo 600. Let's look for that. Indigo 600. And what is it again? Is it Command D? No. Command D is going to change all these. Let's change this to... Now, how do I change them all? Indigo 600. Is it Control D? Command D? How come I can't edit these? No. How do I edit all these all at once? What's that workflow again? I can't remember. Because I want it to be like red 700. I know I can do a find and replace, but let's do them all. What do I got here right now? I got community for approach driver. So what happened here? I had this. Oh, Fort. Okay. And then I think I have a, what's my description? Oops. Private community for geeks who make stuff. Yeah, so it'll be something like this. Then I got to put my logo up there. Got to change some hover states and stuff, but I at least got the first part. A little bit painful getting there, but I got it all set up. I'm ready to go. I'm going to come back and do some work on this after lunch. So thanks for hanging out. Sorry that was so painful. And yeah, if anyone wants to hang out after lunch, I'll be back then. Talk to you later.